So once our gates are aligned, I'm comfortable with that. And I've already taken my tarp and I zeroed out my scale. I'll lay it down in front of the machine. I try to stay within this outer foot, at least 6 inches of it. And I'll be between the 5th gate and the 1st gate. So in this case, I'm going to move it over just a little bit. I'll back up a good 300 feet to where I can see the top over the front of the machine. I'll set it up to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gates. I'll set my speed at anywhere from 150 to 300 feet per minute. And then I'll drive forward, hit the master switch just before the tarp, and shut it off after, and then weigh what ended up on the tarp. Always try to run the same speed when you're calibrating, because there is a mechanical link to the cams that adjusts the gate opening. During calibration, if you're adjusting your speed, it's also adjusting the cam, and with the delays in that, it may throw off your pounds per square yard that's hitting the ground. So always travel at the same speed. Try, if you're on rough ground, try not to go so fast that everything's bouncing. Try to get a nice, flat, smooth spot. Weigh your material that's dropped in here. Make the PSY correction on the computer. That will adjust this box. Once you get that PSY correction within 2 to 3 pounds, then you want to come over to this right box. Do the same thing there, lay it down within the first 5 gates here, and drive over it, weigh material in here, adjust the balance to bring this box to match that box. So pounds per square yard is going to be the left box, PSY correction is going to be the left box, balance is going to be the right box.